how we are supposed to make the configuration? Normally, we can configure this device using the CLI. And to access the CLI, we have only two methods. First is console and other one is telnet or SSH. Just to make the basic configuration, either we can do this configuration using console, or the other option is telnet or SSH, in which we know that SSH is preferred over telnet.
Yes.
This is how we were configuring the network past 30 or 40 years, or you can say 20 or 30 years. But now Cisco has changed the way of configuring the network, the way of designing a network, and the way of, you can say, troubleshooting a network, right?
Yes.
Now what we are doing, Cisco said that network engineer is not here to do the repetitive tasks each and every day. We can automate 90% of tasks in the network using a software, because we know that most of the time the network behavior is very predictable. The network configuration commands are very, very similar, right?
Yes.
Things will be changing, right? Like if you have to configure OSPF on two different routers, the syntax will remain same. The network ID might be changed.
Yes.
Each and every command again and again, just create a template of OSPF and use that template on all the devices. And at the time of template like pushing, you can change the variables.
Yes.
As I said, we have three types of network, mainly local area network, wide area network, and data center network. So Cisco has SDN solutions for each type of network, right? If I say for local area network, or you can say campus area network, we have Cisco DNA center, right?
Yes.
We say about wide area network, we have Cisco vPTela solution. And if I say for you can say data center network,
Yes.
we have Cisco Epic.
Okay. So like DNAG, this you're saying DNA is like a DNAG, right?
Yeah, DNA center, DNAG, yeah.
D.
This is known as SD access, software defined access. Then we call it SD-WAN, alright? LAN automation is referred as SD access, and WAN automation is referred as SD-WAN, alright? So SD access and SD-WANs are just terms. The actual solution behind SD-WAN is the Cisco vPTela solution. And behind this SD access, we have the solution which is Cisco DNA center. Like in data centers, we have Cisco Epic, alright? Now we are here to discuss about the SD-WAN. Mainly, our concern is not SD access or data center. The main concern is SD-WAN. Software defined WAN. First of all, you must have the understanding of WAN connectivity, right?
Yes, I have.
So you know that wide area network is used to provide communication between local area separated by a large distance. This is the main motive to design a wide area network. Yes or no?
Yes, sure.
As is.
Yes.
Network is used to provide communication between local area network separated by a large distance.
Distance.
You can say I have 2 sites or 3 sites, and this is the floor. So, for example, this is my company. You can say Reliance. This is branch 1. This is branch 2. And this is branch 3. Now, here we have Google, YouTube, Amazon, right? Now, Google, Amazon, or all of these servers don't belongs to a single organization. So you can say Google, Amazon, and we can say YouTube, for example, right? So now we have to communicate with the sites from branch 1 to branch 2, branch 1 to branch 3, as well as we want to provide the connectivity to Google, Amazon, and YouTube. So here we have mainly 2 types of WAN services. First we have MPLS, right? Ashish?
Yes, I can see
We
it.
have internet as well, which is known as ISP. So this is my MPLS service. And this is, see, like I am a normal user. I'm at my house. So can you see the design?
Yes, I can see it.
I want to access Google, I want to access Amazon, I want to access YouTube. But nobody is allowing me to access the Reliance branch 2 or Reliance branch 3 or Reliance branch 1, right?
Right.
Then the internet link and I would be able to access all of these servers. But here, what I want to access my sites as well as I want to access the internet. So in old networks, if, for example, if I say this is the headquarter, so this headquarter is having the internet connectivity. All right.
Yes.
What was the problem? All of the branches have to go through the headquarter to ISP, and they'll come back to headquarter. Then the traffic will be going to Reliance, because we were not providing the direct internet access to all the sites. This is known as DIA. Direct
Right.
internet access. Because if I want to do this, I have to add more routers. I need more configuration on each and every site. Just assume that I have 5,000 sites. It will take around 1 year to build the network. The configuration is very, very huge. So troubleshooting would be a very, like you can say, headache to the network engineer, because you have 5,000 sites and only way to configure it is either Telnet or SSLs. Right, Ashish?
Yes, right.
That's why we need to automate the WAN task as well, just to reduce the complexity and to reduce the overhead on the network engineer. Likewise, we have the problems in in LAN network, likewise in data center. So that's why we need the automation to automate the task, configuration, troubleshooting, monitoring, you can say, right?
Yes, right.
So there was an organization which was it's known as Viptela Networks. So what Cisco did, Cisco acquired Viptela. Now it is known as Cisco Viptela Networks. So SD-WAN is included in CCNP Enterprise course, but Cisco is also providing a certification for SD-WAN. Right, Ashish?
So this SD-WAN is currently having a demand in industry, right?
In industry, yeah.
Like this. This is demanding certification, right? Every company is like transforming their network to SD-WAN. There's few of them already done, but few are also planning, right?
Migration, every company is migrating to SD-WAN or Cisco SD access. So we go to the examples. Can you see the screen?
Okay.
See, at enterprise level, we have a certification known as NCODE.
This one I already did.
Right, you did. Good. You can see in NCODE, we have the SD-WAN part, but not that much.
Right.
You can say, explain the working principle of SD-WAN solution, explain the working principle of Cisco SD access solution. Only this. So we have to tell the difference, and then what is the
Right.
software is being used for the automation. But Cisco did what? Cisco said that as per the requirement or as per the demand in the industry, let's launch a dedicated certification for Cisco SD-WAN. So if you see here, first thing, the exam code is 30415. Implementing Cisco SD-WAN
Solution.
So in this, discuss the architecture first. Then we discuss the controller deployment. Like you know that in Cryptolia solution, we have 3 controllers.
Yes.
Cisco vManage, Cisco vBond, and Cisco vSmart. Mainly we have 3 controllers, but V is representing viptela. viptela Manage, viptela Bond, and viptela Smart. That's why you see V here. All right.
Yes.
Now these controllers are used to manage the devices for router or switches connected at the edge of a network. So we can have 2 types of devices here. We can have vEdges and cEdges. cEdges for Cisco Edge and vEdges for viptela Edge. All right.
Yes.
The best part is that you don't need to buy a dedicated hardware for Cisco SD-WAN. These controllers can be installed on a server. You can have 2 types of deployment: on premises or off premises. Means you can deploy your controllers on cloud, as long as your controllers are reachable to vEdge and CS. Alright, Ashish?
Yes.
Any confusion till now?
No.
Alright. So this is the certification provided by Cisco. Then we have the router deployment, like how to onboard the devices to the controllers. Then how to configure the policies. In here you'll see the routing. Then security and quality of service, how to configure security. And you know that quality of service is very, very important for this WAN networks.
Yes.
And then management and operations. So this certification includes 6 sections, which we will be covering one by one. All right.
Yes.
So we first of all will see that how to deploy the controllers. Then root certificate installation, right? Likewise, onboarding, then configuration, template creation, how to push template, how to create template, all of this. This is how we will be covering the SD-WAN, and we'll start it from the scratch, and then we'll take it through. All right?
Okay.
If you have any question for me, Ashish, you can ask.
No, it's fine.
Yeah. So you know that we manage only device and access procedure. For vBond and vSmart can be accessed only CLI. You can't access their GUI. Okay. So all of the things will be done on the
vManage. So this vBond and vSmart can be accessed through CLI also, you are saying, right?
Yeah, only CLI. Let CLI access.
Only CLI. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we'll access the GUI of vManage. Then you'll see vManage how to add the controllers, how to add the certification, how to add the WAN edges, how to create the template, how to push the templates, all that things. All of tasks will be done through the vManage. All right.
Okay.
This controller is playing a different role. First of all, your vEdges or vEdges or CSS devices will be introduced to vBond. All right.
Yes.
They don't know about vManage or vSmart. The CSS will be introduced to vBond first. So vBond is like a, that in India for marriages, we have matrimonial sites as well, but we have middlemen as well, like in areas. So the middleman is responsible for provide the connection between and bride family, right?
Yes. Yes.
So first of all, the groom family known the middleman, and the bride family also known the middleman. Then they will be introduced to each other, and after marriage, there is no role of middleman, right?
Yes. Right.
So once the device is onboarded, there would be no role of vBond. But first time, each and every device will reach to vBond. Then vBond will assign them, and vBond will inform about the vManage and vSmart. Then CS or vEdges will be going to vManage and vSmart. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So if I have any confusion here, let me know.